Hey everyone, my name is Natasha Carrillo and I'm 15 years old. Alright, I'm going to be singing this song that I made for a friend, and it's called You Don't Need Guys Who Breaks Your Heart. And my friend, I'm not going to tell you her name because I don't want her to put her Friend Street on YouTube. So the song that I made for her in my head, it's called Those Guys That Break Your Heart Are Jerks. Ready? Okay. You say that you like her. You say that you need her. Why are you going up to her now and saying that she's nothing but an ugly person? Look at you in the mirror. You see how you are. You got an ugly personality and an ugly attitude. Don't be giving me attitude, boy. You've been talking crap to my friend, saying that she's ugly. That's my best friend right there. And I got her back, just like every other person got their friends back. Oh, I'll never leave her side. I'm protecting her like a sister. Oh, you say that she's ugly. You say her weirdness is so creepy. Why are you doing this to her? You're breaking her heart like a girl broke your heart. You are one jerk that's so ugly, has an ugly personality. You should know how to break a girl's heart. Who the heck taught you to do that? That's so messed up. You're so freaking messed up. No girl won't be with you anymore, 'cause you break girls' hearts. Yeah, you break girls' hearts. Ooh. You say that you need her. What's going on to you people now? I see the jerks inside of you. I thought you were sweet. I thought you were one of those guys that will never be mean to her. Oh, I thought you were one of those guys. I thought you were one of those guys. You say that you need her, and you say that you love her. You sure are a liar. Who doesn't wanna be with my friend? You say you hate her, breaking her heart and hurt her feelings. Well, guess what? You are sure a jerk who doesn't know how to treat a girl. So that's what I'm gonna do to you. Guess what I'm gonna say to you? You are one ugly dude I met before. I thought you were right for her, but then I was wrong. You were not right for her. You are one messed up dude. You are one messed up dude. You don't know how to treat a girl. And that's for my friend. Alright, bye.